Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Today we are discussing about types of engineering research. Introductions to types of engineering research. Engineering research plays a critical role in advancing technology, solving real world problems. There are various types of engineering research, each its unique focus and methodology. This presentation aims to provide an overview of different types of engineering research. Fundamental research. A fundamental research focuses on expanding scientific knowledge and understanding. It aims to cover underlying principles and theories that forms a basis of engineering applications. These types of research often involves theoretical analysis, mathematical modeling, and experimentations. Applied research. The applied research aims to solve specific engineering problems and develop practical solutions. It focuses on direct applications of existing knowledge to address real-world challenges. These types of research often involves prototyping, testing, and optimization of an engineering system. The applied research. The definitions. The applied research is undertaken to solve an immediate practical problem, and the goal of adding scientific knowledge is secondary. The salient features of applied research are: it can be explanatory but usually descriptive, to solve specific practical questions. It involves a precise measurement of the characteristics and descriptive relationships. Design research. The design research focuses on the development and improvement of engineering designs. It aims to enhance functionality, efficiency, and aesthetic of products, structures, or systems. These types of research involves an iterative design process, analysis, and user feedback. Here the one of the cycle of design processing engineering, such that it consisting of ask, research, imagine, plan, create, test, or improve. It is a cyclic process. We depend upon a cyclic process. The processes will be repeated iteratively. Experimental research. The experimental research involves conducting controlled experiments to validate and refute the hypothesis. It aims to gather empirical evidence and qualify the effects of various factors on an engineering system. These types of research often requires designing experiments, data collection, and statistical analysis. The simplest form of experimental research involves two variables. One is an independent variable whose value is an alternative, and the dependent variable whose value reflects on alterations in the independent value. Typically, the purpose of undertaking the experiment is to determine the relationship between the variables by eliminating or controlling all other variables that may have an impact on these variables under investigations. Computational research. The computational research involves the usage of computer simulations and modeling to study engineering problems. It aims to predict and analyzing the behavior of complex systems and optimize their performance. These types of research often requires programming, numerical method, and data visualization. Computer engineering research. See here, it includes engineering and science, mathematics, and computer science. Collaborative research. The collaborative research involves interdisciplinary teams and working together to address complex engineering problems. It aims to combine expertise from multiple disciplines to develop innovative solutions. These types of research often requires effective communications, product management, and shared resource. Industrial research. The industrial research focuses on specific engineering problems with an industrial setting. It aims to improve process, products, technologies to enhance the productivity and competitiveness. These types of research often involves partnerships with academia and industries. Here is the one of the picture which is showing industrial research. Comparative research. The comparative research involves studying of an engineering system or solutions across the different contexts. It aims to analyze the similarities and differences to identify the best practices or optimize designs. These types of research often requires data collections, analysis, and synthesis from multiple sources. So comparative means it compares the researches. See what, when, why, how, and approaches to set techniques, case-based comparative research and evaluations. and a when means and the ideal small to intermediate end research and evaluation. By the bridges or qualitative or quantitative, the analysis of an usual complexity and supports the theory developing and testing. How? The case of an selections and a discrimination. Analytic phase, script set and a multiple variant QCA or a fuzzy set of QCA and interpretation phase. And the conclusion. The engineering research embraces the wide range of phenotypes with a specific objective and methodology. The choice of an engineering research depends upon the problem at hand and described outcomes. By combining of different types of engineering research, we can drive innovations, create a meaningful impact. See, the types of engineering research means mainly they are focusing on which analytic research, applied research, fundamental research, quantitative research, qualitative, empirical, and descriptive research.